Happiness Yoga uses the StudioBookings system for class and yogi management. It's available on Apple and Android devices and is free to use. Simply search for StudioBookings in your App Store and download to your device. On first launch, the app will ask if it can use your location and if you want to receive notifications. These notifications can include upcoming classes and studio notices. Simply search for Happiness Yoga and the studio will appear in the search results. Tap the studio and then log in to this studio. To create an account with Happiness Yoga, tap the register button at the bottom. Fill in your details, choose a password, and tap submit. You will then be presented with our timetable of upcoming classes. You can also tap the business info to share the app, call the studio, or display directions to the studio via Google Maps. For further information on classes, simply tap the class. If you would like to attend that class, tap Book Class, then confirm your attendance. If it's your first time booking a class, you will need to sign the waiver document. This can be completed without leaving the app. Simply tap back, and then tap the three bars in the top left, commonly called the hamburger, to show the menu. Tap Profile, then tap Waiver. Once you tap Sign, you can draw your signature right on your device. Then tap Done. While you're in your profile, you can edit your information by tapping Edit at the top right. Enter your address, birthday, emergency contact details, as well as any health issues that our instructors may need to be aware of. You can discuss your needs further with your instructor at the studio. You can also add your photo to help our instructors on your first visit. Once your information is complete, tap Submit at the top right. To purchase class passes and subscriptions, tap the hamburger and then tap Store. Here, you can choose individual passes or membership. Then adjust your quantity, apply promo codes, and purchase with your credit card right from the app. To book your class, tap the hamburger and then tap Calendar. Find and tap the class you want to attend, tap Book Class, and confirm your booking. You also have the option to add the class to your existing calendar. To check your booked classes, tap the hamburger, then tap My Schedule. You will see a list of your booked classes with the option to cancel your bookings. Simply tap Cancel and confirm your cancellation. We look forward to seeing you on the mat at Happiness Yoga Bargara.